You can now earn $5,000 per month. From Taylor Swift to Justin Bieber, everyone is making millions with their songs. But one thing, without the right sound or music, their songs feel incomplete. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to create music similar to theirs, publish it on platforms like Spotify and other music streaming apps. Plus, you can use your own music as the background for your YouTube videos without worrying about copyright claims. This way, you won't lose revenue to other music owners on your YouTube videos. Guess what? You can do all of this for free using AI. But can AI-generated music really be monetized? As per my research, monetizing AI-generated music on platforms like Spotify or YouTube is legal. So, don't worry about it. Let's move to the blueprint of the video. This is the exact blueprint, how we'll proceed with our tutorial in the next 3 to 5 minutes. First, we'll find the right music generator and create some music. Next, we'll publish it on Spotify or other music streaming platforms using free distribution. Finally, we'll promote our music link on YouTube to generate income. Sounds good, right? Let's go. Step 1. Generate a music. After conducting deep research, I discovered this fantastic AI website called Tempolor AI. Go to website using my description link and just sign up with your Google account. One thing I heard about this AI website, it can ability to create music in 3 ways. The first way, generate a music using simple prompt. Second, generate a music based on our reference audio track. And third and most amazing way, by uploading a video, it can create an audio track. Let's try all the 3 ways and see which one works best. Now let's type our prompt here. For example, I'm typing, generate a dark, atmospheric horror soundtrack with unsettling melodies and tense rhythms. Enable to generate and click this symbol to start. This music will take few seconds to generate. Let's wait few seconds until music generation is complete. By the way, if you are new here, subscribe to our channel and learn how to access over 600 plus AI tools. Now, let's go back and look at our result. Click the play button to listen the audio. If you're satisfied with the result, click download to save it. Expert tip, if you're experienced in music, enable expert mode and fill in the necessary details, such as genre, theme, and instruments. Otherwise, leave these options untouched. Moving to the second method. Click home and disable the generate. Choose audio symbol and select upload a file. Upload the horror music we created earlier. Once the AI processes the file, click the play button to review the result. Third and final method. Click the video symbol. Either upload your own video file or use the demo video provided. Here, we'll use the demo video. The AI will analyze the entire video and create music based on that. One thing you'll notice closely, that the AI automatically generates a detailed prompt by analyzing the uploaded video's appearance. Once the output is ready, click the play button to listen. Step 2. Create an album cover. Now that we have our music ready for release, it's time to create an appropriate album cover. Go to Canva. Click Custom Size and ensure the unit is set to pixels. Enter the dimensions 3000 by 3000 and click Create New Design. Choose one of your favorite templates and customize the text and colors as needed. If you want to replace an image, click on it and press Delete. Now, let's go to Leonardo AI. Copy the prompt provided in the description, paste it into Leonardo AI and click Generate. Once the image is ready, click Download. Return to Canva. Click Upload, import your image, and drag and drop it into your design. But I'm okay with my previous image, so I undo the changes by pressing Ctrl+Z. Once you've finished customizing your album cover, click Share and then Download to save your design. Step 3. Find a free distributor. Within minutes, we've created our first music track and album cover. But how do we upload this music to Spotify and other streaming platforms to start earning money? It's simple. Go to routenode.com. Move your cursor to the distribution section and click Create New Release. Leave the first box blank and enter the title of your release in the next field. Then, click Create Release. Let's start with simple step by uploading our album cover. Select Add Artwork and then upload your album cover, click Save and Continue. Next, add your music. Click Add Audio, then select Browse Computer to upload your music file. Enter the track name. Ensure the track name and release title are the same. Click Save and Continue. Next, fill this details. For title version, type original or leave it blank. Enter the artist name and click create new profile. Enter the composer name. Choose not explicit. Click save and continue, and then click I'm finished to complete the process. Next we'll proceed to manage stores. Click on that. Select all stores to ensure your music is available on all platforms, from iTunes to Spotify and every other store mentioned. Scroll down to check the pricing and adjust it as desired. To exclude specific countries, click the drop-down menu, select exclude these territories, and list the countries you want to exclude. Alternatively, click clear territories to include all countries. Click save and continue. Scroll down to review the details you've entered to ensure everything is correct. Read all the terms and conditions, check the agreement box, and click distribute free. Important notes. Your music is now under review. The review process typically takes 3 days to 4 weeks. Uploading the maximum number of tracks increases your chances of earning more income.